Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to integrate your Hostinger email with Gmail. This means you can send and receive emails from your Hostinger domain email right inside Gmail. Super convenient. If you find this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe to more tech tutorials. Now let's get started. What is Hostinger? If you are not familiar with Hostinger, it's a web hosting provider that offers affordable hosting solutions, include including website hosting, WordPress hosting, VPS, and even domain-based email services. It's known for being budget friendly, easy to use, and having great performance. With Hostingers email hosting, you can create professional emails like your name @ your domain.com and integrate them with Gmail. First of all, log into your Hostinger account. Head over to the email section and select the domain email you want to integrate with Gmail. Now, click on Configuration Settings and look for the IMAP or SMTP details. You will need these settings to connect your email to Gmail. Now, let's go to Gmail. Click on the settings gear icon in the top right corner, then go to See All Settings. Click on the Accounts and Import tab. Then scroll down to check mail from other accounts and click Add a mail account. Enter your Hostinger email address and click Next. Select Import emails from any other account and click Next again. Now we need to enter the Hostinger email settings. For POP3 server, write pop.hostinger.com. For port, write 995. For check, always use a secure connection SSL. Enter your full email address as the username and type in your email password. Once done, click Add Account to finish setting up incoming mail. Now, let's set up outgoing mail so you can send emails from Gmail using your Hostinger email. When prompted, select Yes, I want to be able to send mail as your mail and click Next. For SMTP server, write smtp.hostinger.com. For port, select 465. Check Secure Connection using SSL. Enter your full Hostinger email as the username and type in your password. Click Add Account, Gmail will now send a verification email to your Hostinger email. To complete the setup, go back to your Gmail inbox and check for a verification email from Google. Open the email and copy the confirmation code. Then go back to the Gmail settings and paste the code in the verification box. Check verify and you are done. Let's do a quick test. Try sending an email from Gmail using your Hostinger email address. Then to the reply to it and check if it appears in your Gmail inbox. If everything's if everything works, congratulations. Your Hostinger email is now fully integrated with Gmail. That's it for today's tutorial. Now you can manage your domain email from Gmail without switching between apps. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tech tips. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments and I will be happy to help. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.